Hello everybody, my name is Martin. I'm working for HEINIGER Switzerland. Today I'm going to show you how to unbox the one shearing plant. Once you order such a machine, you get this kind of a box in that size. There's everything you need to work is in there. So yes, let's take a look and see what's inside. Use a knife to open the box. Stuff is pretty packed in here. So first of all, what you get out is the flexible shaft. Next, you have this wonderful icon cyclone handpiece. And of course, last but not least, the motor unit. One more piece in here is the owner's manual, the instruction manual. Please go ahead and read the entire manual, read through every single page, maybe read it twice because there's a whole lot of very important information in there. So, when you have the motor unit here, you see the cable. Power cable, you have the on and off switch here, which is mounted with a cord. You have the connection for the flexible shaft for the down tube, which is this part, so basically this will go in here. And also important, of course, in the handpiece, there will be, once you order the entire machine like we had here, there will be a set of blades in there. There will be a tube of grease. There will be some oil, the ferrule, and the screwdriver, of course, which is needed to mount the blades and some other stuff to do. In a nice plastic bag wrapped, we have the handpiece, which is the most important part, of course, to work. And another instruction manual just belonging to the handpiece. Go ahead and read that thing, like with this manual. To make sure you want to connect the flexible shaft to the one, you have this square little piece of metal here that needs to go into another square hole inside of the machine. Okay, afterwards everything, you can go to your stable wherever you want to shear. You need to mount the machine to the wall. And this is a quite important thing because there are several steps, several procedures that you have to take care and be aware of. First of all, the one machine can be mounted to the wall flexible. That means you can move around, that's no problem at all. The height is a question, I will show you this after. First of all, once the machine is mounted to the wall, you get your flexible shaft out of the box, put that thing into the tube, the lower tube, and push this button here, where this will lock the down tube to the machine. Push this button a little bit, move inwards a little bit, turn on the machine, turn it off. Once you have turned off the machine and it's still running, make sure you push the flexible shaft into the machine, and once this little knob will go through the hole here, this means the flexible shaft is being connected. To set the height of the machine, this is quite important. There should be about 1 centimeter below the end of the flexible shaft above the ground. So as you can see here, this will give you the best flexibility while shearing. So this is 1 centimeter below, in between the ground and the end of the machine. To connect the handpiece to the machine, you put that thing into the ferrule, turn it on, and it will automatically connect. Handpiece is connected. Okay, once the machine is set, that means you can start working. Before you start working, one thing you really need to understand and to know is lubrication is very important. So inside the box, once you get the machine, there's also a little oil can that you can use to lubricate your machine. As you can see here in the flexible down tube, there's a hole on top of the down tube. So before you start working, make sure you put here let's say about 10-15 drops. It's out of your need to get some experience. Put that oil inside that rod. That oil that you put inside this hole will run through the flexible shaft all the way down. And this needs to be redone every hour while working. If the handpiece is connected to the flexible shaft, this oil that you put inside this hole here will run through the flexible shaft and it will lubricate also the end of the handpiece. The handpiece itself needs also some lubrication. There's this hole here where you have to put every hour some oil, and also on the blades every 10 minutes you have to put 4, 5, 6 drop of oil to lubricate the blade sets.